GovTech is actually more about innovation that goes on in the government, right? It is innovative or breakthrough innovative solutions that may use new technology. So let's look at if, we look at a simple chart where this is about value and this is over time. Most governments, just like large organizations, can make incremental improvements on their solutions, stepwise improvements. But they're dealing with people who have expectations that are above this. Having their voice heard on social media channels or getting things instantly like ride sharing, right? So as time goes on, those expectation levels sit up here, right? Incremental solutions from the government are not going to meet those expectations. So how do you meet those expectations, right? You need breakthrough innovation. But the problem with breakthrough innovation is it doesn't start at the same value level. If you start here, it actually dips before you find something that starts to hockey stick up. This is the typical startup curve, right? You actually dip below. It looks like you're going backwards when you're starting out because you're exploring, you're trying new things, you're struggling for traction, you're trying to figure out what the market need is until you figure out what clicks. Well, us, when we operate programs like Lab GovTech, this is the world we live in. We live in this world. It's hard for governments to do this world because it's inherently risky. And governments, if they do one thing, they manage risk, right? So for us, we can take risky projects that are looking at very far-reaching innovation in the government and bring them into our environment and de-risk them. We can actually provide really good startup methodology that we use with startups because they have to manage this risk too. We can do the same thing to de-risk it from that standpoint by just bringing them out of the government and putting them into a co-working space with us and giving them that program. It actually de-risks it itself.